After ensuring UPA's victory in Parliament over FDI in retail, Mayawati today threatened the government to take a tough position regarding quota. Mayawati put onus on UPA to ensure promotion quota is discussed in Parliament in the next 2 or 3 days. The BSP Supremo also attacked the BJP, saying that Bharatiya Janata Party is leading anti-quota lobby.
हमारी पार्टी ने कल यहाँ राज्यसभा में केंद्र सरकार के पक्ष में ही वोट देने का फैसला लिया।
Just a few days after bailing out the UPA during the voting on FDI, Mayawati has made a U-turn. This time, the BSP Supremo has put the UPA on a notice with her demand of passing the SC/ST quota promotions bill in Rajya Sabha.
हमारे लिए SC/ST का जो प्रमोशन में रिजर्वेशन से संबंधित जो विधेयक है हमारे लिए काफी महत्वपूर्ण है और इस मुद्दे को लेकर हमारी पार्टी किसी भी हद तक जा सकती है।
Mayawati threatening the UPA and attacking the BJP in the same breath. After an uproar over the bill forced an adjournment in the Rajya Sabha.
The BJP would like to know from the Congress party and the government, why can't it find a way out on the contentious issue of reservation promotion in between the two parties?
And another outside supporter of the UPA, Samajwadi Party continuing to harden its stand against the bill.
बिल्कुल करते रहेंगे क्योंकि जनता की मेजॉरिटी इसके खिलाफ है, इस विधेयक के, और लोकतंत्र में जनता जिसके खिलाफ होती है वही असली मायने रखती है।
The UPA in a catch-22 situation after being sandwiched between Mulayam and Maya. A fresh round of firefighting is already in progress.
ये पिछले सेशन में आया था, तो ये कौन सी डील ये पिछले सेशन में राज्यसभा में पेश हुआ था, इस पर बहस शुरू हो गई थी, तो ये तो एक करंट बिजनेस है, सभा को हम मनाने की कोशिश करेंगे।
Having supported the government on the FDI issue, Mayawati now is clearly trying to extract her pound of flesh. Having imposed a 72-hour ultimatum on the government to solve the crisis on the quota bill, Mayawati has ensured that the UPA's troubleshooters who were breathing easy after resolving FDI are now getting back on the negotiating table.
With Maya threatening to pull out support for the embattled UPA, now it's clearly a choice between BSP's 21 Lok Sabha MPs against Samajwadi Party's 22 members in the lower house, while in the Rajya Sabha, it's Maya's 15 versus Mulayam's 9 members. Bureau Report, Times Now.